Hi everyone. I wanted to do this video for some time now because I don't think many of us know how far AI has progressed. It can help you so much with your daily tasks that you cannot imagine. So when you have I think most of us work on spreadsheets all the time. Many of us have lots of files to deal with, a lot of manipulation to do, and it just takes a lot of time. Sometimes you can do it in Excel, you just write some references, some functions, and it's done. But sometimes it's much easier if you just basically say what you want to do and someone else will do it for you. So that is this video about. Today I only talk about some basic stuff because I think it's the first is to just set everything up, the whole environment, just to understand how it works. And then I think in future videos we'll do some examples, more examples. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you can also use like Microsoft's Copilot. They can both do scripts and Excel stuff and these kind of things. But I think in my experience, ChatGPT works better. So you can register a free account. And by registering a free account, you have a daily, at the moment, around 15 queries, messages. You can also generate pictures, but in this case, we only deal about messaging. So what you need to do is basically register and you open ChatGPT. Then you just tell it what you want to do. In this example, to show what it can do, I just use a simple spreadsheet. As you can see, I just have a simple table and we just do some manipulation of this. So first, what you do is you need to get this developer tab there. In order to do that, you need to go File, and in the bottom there is a menu called Options. And when you open Options, you just go to Customize ribbon and you just tick Developer and it will appear. If you go there, you click on Visual Basic. Here, the only thing you need to do is basically insert and module. So that's it. Let's go back to ChatGPT and let's say what I want to do. I want a script, VBA, because Visual Basic is what we use with Excel now, that let's say calculate the average. Let's calculate the average of all numbers you can find in column B in my spreadsheet. You hit enter and basically it writes your code that does that. So you just click copy code, you go to Excel, you open Visual Basic, copy paste it. That's it. Let's go back to Excel. You come here, insert, just click this button, you just place a button here. This window comes up, you click on what you just inserted, you click OK, you click away, and then if I it will tell you the average. Let's tell it to put the average here. So you go back, you can edit it here by clicking this, or you can just tell it to modify it to ensure that I get the result in the cell beneath the last number in the column. And also add total in the cell adjacent to it, left, let's say. You wait 2 seconds, then you copy paste it out or you copy it out. And let's see what happens. You just override this. Excel, you just make sure by clicking assign macro that the name, because it sometimes update the macro name, you just select that, you click on it, and there you have it. It is that simple, but you can take it further. You can start a new chat. Okay, I want a VBA code that creates a new sheet called I am. And in this one, give me 1000 random numbers between 1 and 15 um, in column B, and also put a header in the first row. It writes you the code. You wait 2 seconds until it's done. Copy it. Go to Visual Basic. You just put that in. Select your new macro. You click the button, and there you are. It's amazing, isn't it? And it can do a lot more than this. And I will show that in the next video. I hope you liked it. If you do, if you did, make sure that you put a thumbs up and maybe subscribe as well. And in that case, you will see my next video about it. Thanks for watching.